हेलो दोस्तों, मैं आपका स्वागत इंडिया इंग्लिश बोलेगा अभियान में करती हूँ। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं, सूरज सर इस अभियान को शुरू किए हैं। इसमें हर सप्ताह बेस्ट स्पीकर ऑफ द वीक का कंपटीशन करवाया जाता है। कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए पूरा वीडियो देखिए और कमेंट में बेस्ट स्पीकर का नाम लिखिए। थैंक्स।
Hello everyone, I am Vanshika Pandey from Uttar Pradesh. I am here to deliver a speech on the topic singing. Singing is a very powerful language. It is a form of art to express our emotion, our joy, our entertainment, and our experiences. Sometimes singing is also used to share the stories in our culture, like in wedding, in birth ceremonies. The singing is used as a source of joy, as a source of entertainment. Singing has been the part of human culture for centuries, but it is in nowadays in this world, in new world, it is more accessible than ever because with the help of social media. With the help of social media, we can share our voices with others and we can also learn from the others' voices. Thank you. That's enough for today.
Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I'm also doing well. My name is Heman Patel and I am from Gujarat. So today guys, I am here to speak about a new topic. I hope you like my topic and video. So let's start. My topic is singing. So singing is a beautiful feeling. Singing is an art. When you want to win someone's heart, you should sing. when you are when you are tired, when you are unhappy, when you are frustrated and someone sings for you, you feel happy, you feel better. So singing is a very powerful and you should learn how to sing. Singing is a source of entertainment. In the olden days, Tansen was a great singer. When Tansen sang the Deepak Rag, the lamps lighted. Tanariri were also a great singers. They both were singers. They both were sisters. When they sang the Malhar Rag, it rained. So singing is very powerful. Singing works as a medicine. When someone feels sick and you sing in front of him or her, the sick person feel better. So singing works as a medicine sometimes. I have to sing in classroom because I am a teacher, and teacher who sings very well, he teaches uh, very good in his students. So singing is very important for me. So singing is very important in everyone's life. So we should learn how to sing. That's all for today from my side. I hope you like my speech. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you.
Hello friends, hello. My name is Khushbu Kumari. I live in Bhojpur. I am telling about today my topic vegetable. My favorite vegetable potato. Potato is very famous. Potato vegetable, many types vegetable, and potato vegetable, potato fry, and potato chips, potato sauce. Potato vegetable is very famous in India. Potato vegetable is a root vegetable. It is round or oval in shape. Potato vegetable very delicious food. Bye friends, bye.
All of you. My name is Aman Kumar and I am studying in 10th standard and I am here to speak about my topic. My topic name is singing. You know that singing is very important part of our life. Without it, we can't imagine our life. And my hobby is singing and my favorite singer name is Ajit Singh.
Good morning everyone. My name is Ved Pandey. I am pursuing Bachelor of Education from Awadh University, Ayodhya. So today I want to say a few words about that's something very close to my heart and that touches all our hearts. That is none other than singing. Singing is Singing is more than just a music. It's a way to express ourselves, our feeling, our joy, our sadness and love, and a hope. Whenever we sing, we don't hesitate and we just use our voice. We speaks from our soul. A singing can brings a joy and brings a joy and a smile. Singing also brings a peoples together and even heal their wounds also. So you don't have to be perfect in singing, so you just have to feel free whether you sings in front of the crowd or alone in a room. So it's the power to make you a perfect make you a perfect person. And so uh, so sing freely and sing with love, and lets your voice shine, because every voice is special, and every song has a story. So thank you for listening me, and that's enough for today. I hope you like my video. Thank you.